What is hash price? The Bitcoin hash price measures how much revenue a miner can earn for each unit of computational power, known as a hash. A hash is a single calculation completed by a powerful mining machine. The hash rate is the rate at which hashes are being completed. The hash rate of most individual machines is denoted in terahashes per second, which is a trillion hashes. The hash price is determined based on several factors: the current Bitcoin exchange rate, network difficulty, block subsidy, and transaction fees. Hash price rises and falls with the movement of these four variables. Hash price is an important metric for miners because it directly measures the profitability per unit of work. By monitoring hash price, miners and investors can decide whether to scale their operations, adjust power consumption, or upgrade their equipment. Hash price is the key to understanding a miner's potential earnings. It balances the rewards of their computational power against the costs of running their operations. To learn more about Bitcoin mining, visit simplemining.io.